So the grave sites, I mean, this is something that ties us to our history. It ties us to our ancestors, who we descend from. And as you know, China is currently trying to indoctrinate our people to become Chinese. So they want to leave and destroy they don't want to leave any evidence, and they want to destroy any evidence that we are different, that we are Uyghur or Turkic, and that we're not Chinese.
There's text in the building, but I suppose they're just slogans. Oh, sorry.
I think that is just really indicative of an attitude towards cultural traditions which disregards their importance and value to communities. So this sense that traditional burial sites is messy is really regarding the whole of Uyghur traditional culture as something which is of low value.
Did you see what she said? I don't see anyone here.